Welcome back, Monarchs. So this week's the Flight of the Monarchs. It's been 2 weeks, but hey, we're back. Just like always, make sure you like or subscribe on this YouTube channel. But there's also other ways you can follow us. You can go and like our Facebook page, our Instagram page, follow us on Class Dojo, and also you can also follow along with your child's progress on Power School. If they ever ask for the code, all you have to do is pause this video and type in TMPG. Call the office if you need to know any other ways to follow us. Before we get into everything, we want to talk to and congratulate Yolanda, our classified employee of the year. Congratulations, Yolanda. She's done an amazing job this year, and her peers have voted her to be Mariposa Computer Science Magnet School's classified employee of the year. So if you talk with her on the phone or come in and see her, make sure you give her a big congratulations. It's well deserved. All right, let's go in and see some of our resources we have available for your children. All right. On their class link, like always, they can access Sora, which is our digital library. It's not only for Lancaster School District and our school, but they also have access to LA County Libraries digital library. They also have access to 24/7 tutoring assistance on tutor.com. If you ever need any assistance with any of that, please stop by and we'll gladly help you out. For this week's upcoming events, on Thursday is going to be picture day, so make sure that everyone has their happiest and brightest smile on, and we'll see everybody on picture day. If you need extra picture order forms, just come and see the office. We'll give you more. And just to put it on everybody's radar, we are having state testing. It begins April 18th, so more information will be coming up on that. All right, and now for a weekly recap. We're going to start off with our preschool. Preschool participated in a lot of fun activities. They were watching caterpillars go into butterflies. They were playing with some kinetic sand and things like that. And they're outside actually playing in some of that nice weather. And in Miss Lamoureux's class, she bought everyone Pete the Cat books, and they were in there, and they were all excitedly reading their Pete the Cat books. So take a look in their backpacks, and you'll be able to see them in there. In Miss Gonzalez's class, they were taking the sounds they were hearing from words and they were putting those into the actual words. So they were encoding, is what we call it. They were all happily doing that on their whiteboards. And in Miss Ramirez's class, they were all practicing their reading. It was fun to hear them all read. And Miss Ramirez and Miss Gonzalez on Friday, on April Fool's Day, they decided to switch places. And so the students thought that was one of the funniest things that has happened. In Miss Moreno's transitional kindergarten combo class, they now got flexible seating, so students have different options to sit. So we have some yoga balls, they have some wobbly stools, they have some really comfortable chairs that sit right on the floor. So different ways for the students to learn. And in Miss Wilcox's third grade class, the students were participating in small group instruction, so they were all getting exactly what they needed to be successful. In Miss McLeod's class on Friday, they were actually outside taking advantage of this nice weather. So they were all happily sitting there doing all their work and learning out in the sun. And in Miss Foot's fourth and fifth grade combo, they were practicing some of their fractions and they were doing different task cards. So they had a whole bunch of different activities, and all the students were involved and excited. And in Miss Romero's class, all the students were participating in some buddy reading. So nothing more fun than reading with your friend. And one of the neat things I saw in Miss Ostrowski's class is she has a vocabulary wall. So all the different vocabulary words that they have learned, the students get to practice using them in real life and in real situations. And every time they do, they make a check mark on them. Once they use them 5 times, they can cross it out. But it's really neat because not only are they learning vocabulary words, but they're learning how to use them in real life. And that is the most important skill. So thank you so much, Miss Ostrowski, for providing that instruction. And here's our quote to get us off for the week. And this one comes to us from Jennifer Lopez. You get what you give. All right. So we'll see everybody on Monday. And if you have any questions, make sure you contact the office. We'll gladly answer any of those.